everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we will be making some Parmesan Crusted Chicken. This is a very easy recipe, you guys, and we're going to bake this chicken in the oven on a high temperature of about 425 degrees. So what we'll need is, of course, we'll need some chicken. I'm using chicken breasts that I've already thoroughly cleaned. I sliced them in half to get them very thin. So again, my chicken is clean and so is my hands. Don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands. I've already washed mine. Make sure you wash yours, because if you don't, you nasty. That's just real nasty, okay? Here's my chicken. Then we're gonna need some mayonnaise. I'll be using some Italian breadcrumbs. I'll also be using some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. You guys, I don't buy that stuff that's already grated. It's so much better when you grate your own cheese. I do not buy the pre-shredded cheese. They put something on that cheese to preserve it so it won't mold fast. Honey, don't buy that stuff. Grate your own cheese, okay? I'll be seasoning with some salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning. I have some parsley flakes, and then I have some thyme, okay? And some black pepper. Okay, I think that's everything. I'm going to start by putting all of my seasonings in my mayonnaise and just mix it up so I can brush it on my chicken. So first we're going to start with some black pepper. A little bit of salt. Some Italian seasoning. Some parsley flakes. And some thyme. Get this all mixed up. Now I'm going to just brush it on my chicken. And now I'm going to flip it and do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to take my Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it on top. And then we're going to top it off with our breadcrumbs. Then we're going to put this in the oven on about 425 degrees for about 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Y'all, this chicken is so moist. Oh my goodness. This was the thickest piece of the cuts that I did. So when I was cutting it, I was making sure that it was done. Y'all want some? Open your mouth. Oh. That's some good eating. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Push the notification bell. That's the shake something. Push the subscribe button. Yeah, push the subscribe button. That's the nosy button, as my dude number one calls it. Turn on your notification bell so you know that when we're uploading over here. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.